Bit of an unusual January day. It feels like the temperature has just continued to creep up even since we were together at noon today, right?
Absolutely, and tonight we're not really going to drop a whole lot, which means the showers we get are largely going to be in the form of rain.
Okay.
Big changes are going to come, though, so don't get too used to this.
It is January.
It is January, and the pattern has potential, but whether that potential is going to deliver, we're not so sure yet, because you don't shovel potential. It just is out there. So we'll get to that in just a second. 48 right now, or the high temperature today in Portland, and the average for the day is 32. 46 in Bangor, only 28 in Rangeley, but most other places up north did rise into the 30s today. We're now starting to see a few showers developing. The vast majority of these tonight are going to be in the form of rain. Really, you're going to have to get from Rangeley northward toward the international border to be cold enough for anything in the form of snow. 43 right now in Portland, it's 41 in Bangor, and even up in the county we are above freezing right now. This cold front comes through about 24 hours from now, and the air mass behind it is dramatically colder for Friday, and then we'll ease up things a bit over the weekend. So this evening, showers continue to develop. They'll be scattered around. Again, temperatures warm enough that we're not really concerned about any ice or anything like that. That said, north of Route 2, up in the mountains toward the Canadian border, there will be some snow that mixes in the highest of elevations. Showers continue off and on through the night with a period of steadier rain very early tomorrow morning down east. Then we lift this away. During the day tomorrow, there could be a brief shower, otherwise a lot of clouds. And ahead of that cold front, we should be quite mild with temperatures again south of the mountains tomorrow getting into the 40s. A few showers may linger across the north through the day tomorrow. As far as that snowfall goes, you really do have to be up near the Canadian border to get anything more than just a coating. Could be an inch or two in some spots up there. Now let's watch the temperature trend. Tomorrow evening, a cold front will come in from the west, and that changes the wind direction from the south, bringing in mild air, to the west and eventually northwest, bringing in colder air, so that by Friday morning, we're down in the single digits in teens for most of us. Takes a little while longer for that push of cold to make it down east, but you'll be in it through the day on Friday too. Here are the wind chills Friday morning, a totally different feel than what we had out there today, and during the warmest part of the day on Friday, still quite cold too. Now over the weekend, we start dry on Saturday, but there are some signs we may get at least snow showers or even a period of some light snow Saturday night into Sunday morning that, especially away from the coast, could drop a couple of inches. Then a break for Sunday afternoon. The next storm we have to watch is Sunday night into Monday. The majority of our guidance right now takes it far enough offshore that this would not be a huge issue for us. However, it's in a precarious position, and if it were to track a little bit closer to us, there could be some accumulating snow Sunday night into Monday, particularly in eastern Maine. That's what we're going to have to watch over the next day or two. It does look like a storm forms. The track is just a question. Seas tomorrow, 4 to 6 feet, southwesterly winds 10 to 20 knots with higher gusts. So it could be a brief shower tomorrow, daytime highs in the 40s, but a big drop tomorrow night. By Friday morning, most of us are down into the teens. Lots of sunshine on Friday, but ineffective sun at that. Snow showers or even a period of some light snow Saturday night and early Sunday, and then we'll keep an eye on Monday at this point. If you've been on social media or follow some of the weather weenie accounts, there was one crazy computer model run today for Monday, but again, at this point, we just think it's worth watching. We'll let you know when it becomes something more serious than that.
Aware of the possibility.
Yeah.
All right, Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.